man. Who do we have here?
Ronnie.
Ronnie, what are you doing today?
Jumping out of an airplane.
Jumping out of an airplane. Dang, that explains that super fancy suit you're wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
My 34th birthday.
Birthday jumps. Damn, what a way to celebrate. Well, man, you look absolutely ready to rock and roll. You trust this guy to take you out of an airplane?
100%.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's get some high fives and let's go have some fun. Woohoo! Here we go. An airplane. You ready to get in this thing so we can get right back out of it?
Very ready.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, man. Let's go.
Do it.
Let's go. Let's go. Woo! You just went skydiving. How are you feeling?
Fantastic. No feeling like it.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Jumping out.
Yeah, you let this guy take you again sometime?
Absolutely.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, man, you know what we do. Get it up top. Here we go.
All right.
Let's go, Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo!